abusua no anyume wa Adom entertainment so ye nua ba mamaga e wa Ghana ye industry nim meche music industry nim and entertainment industry nim Salifrem Paul Manson oni Koka akwa idin etai Koka se goka o se Koka o se wan Charlie ensem mo be keka no me say hey ebi go through pain say into Ghana for enkosi da ben e didn't remain the same short say ni kapike vibes Africa dey be am catch us say aha say ni two mrani a kire osie what vibe na say ana ye nkire osie e wo quota so na we will never do that shit into subscribers who feel me vibe na uya no wa share ama video we areche dom make us feel o no age so say feel Inti anu time entertainment showbiz na ekoso no na akopie mu Adom FM a ehon so showbiz ekoso meche UTV showbiz na ekoso na Adom so showbiz ekoso na Adom showbiz ne so ana me hu say ye maame ye nua ba ye mbibia ho ofefo so tan okwadu a ne mrika tuo de ne wayi Sallyman ne ho ye fe brutal obe na obeka se hwe yen sister miracle o kasa no o ka say eye Vincent eye dey save o protect brand na o protect life for say asem na kan no for wanu kutwitwi form te sa akokọ say when e ka che o say kwaku oten on save life ebi o ye dey a month o tua nimpa more than 5,000 ka na wu kru ba akupenti no o be ka say you are protecting life na kwaku oten dey ni CEO Vincent a protect brand o say who does that yes asem no one can ye cry kufado be say man can ye cry na Mr. Sallyman bibia ni anya botre on say woman no sisi and she's going through a lot hey eye one ka bia obeka abro ne de no what vibe na say
woman $40,000 kasamba ho wo say eye honorable eye Ibrahim Mahama ema sika no wan kasa ne emfa mbeto abonten the same way na Dr. Kwaku Ote a metere ha minimo no wo ya ade won pese ode beba beto abonten but let's take say ba ku likiye ene nkofo so mu so thank you Mr. Ibrahim Mahama thank you Mr. Ibrahim Mahama then se ko page na sia the way people were insulting Dr. Kwaku Ote so what do we ejuma and that one neglect no why did you not come out to tell the world to say stop talking because Dr. Kwaku Ote a pillar I was supporting you both financially and physically. What stopped you? I will say who save life no. Now Vincent a save a day a brand no. Dr. Kwaku Ote is a lifesaver. He has close to 5,000 people under him that he feeds, including your husband. 1 year life. He is life. He is a life giver for most people. It is a what now? Na ye tarnishing the image. Now where to me and who they need to come and speak. He said the man has given you money. Nanka people will stop the comparison. Say and from far Ibrahim Mahama nyejuma. Now so Ibrahim Mahama na foot on the bill. So who I said them who say when near dinner who throw shots. No, if you were a woman enough to come out to tell people say, Ebia papa abuame. Tikasa na mo kasa chiegu na nimu aseno. Munjaya. You think say we'll get well with? You think say CEO no will be compelled to come and sit on radio and explain the amount of money that the amount and come meka. It is a who pointing hands there. Make sure say the four hands no is pointing at you. You were very disrespectful to Dr. Kwaku Ote and his brand. You were very disrespectful to an institution like Dr. Kwaku Ote that feeds over 5,000 people. Send na ukunu ni feedi. Now person you protect who ukunu. Versus an institution like Dr. Kwaku Ote. Mommy, me respect you because who you are him.
Sallyman e kasawie na me ho say yem bra panyi Koka enso aba na Koka de no ko tell say the otobo no ne ho nya hi say the ojanche ka say Charlie sharp shooter you dey shoot hey Charlie we ni gene what vibe na Sallyman na asem na obekekan no na nya hi to say Koka de no see dia Koka kan asem na se ka kum ye gene okwaku anum yenko ni
mo guru a mo gu ni nam fichire na papa panimu mo betoto nyampe ama no ene yedum woni ye rehearsals no nukura bi wo ho a ono ana yese ka na nukure 1 ya tete se nkofo ama usika
sika na sem ne beba ho
me ba mu de ma me nka ma sem wie
o meba ho Brian penja
ade na person ye de ni free me
me wo so ho
one o say nkofo ama usika ya tete papa panifo akasa se o mama usika. Let me tell you, Ghana and you nyame e wampe. Oh, papa, me call hospital no, say ni e Jamie, we na call e. O ba me call e no so papa we so ma me say you. One kasa asem no, aba be now. Enye se mi pesika oboa, o pesika no. Sika no hia papa. Ye ni mu. Sika no uhia. Stop that fake life. Me settings wo ho ni chiri. Kan lokwa no na mo e beba no. Emamon any enemy wo na nyamae nyankopon onyam freo wama wadwuma paseye. We should show humility and appreciate good people when they come to your way. You think there are not people who want Ibrahim Ama any angel boss so baba bebo mu ka ho and a gratitude I less you come have kan ko no oh makoye say me hia say me ko hia say na I say munje super gold fan me wo ho watch us here sa krokro the John the fraud ni sa no man me tiri
kuti what vibe na say intino I always say anka no ma say nkofo bi say be fam once in their life no mate bra Kofi ase enye easy the nigga is going through a lot nipa okoba na esi ampo so otenasia enoma pi na be run through na adwin ni mu enye easy physical pain na mi eye na ya ana hey Charlie yam fancy anom makra